Hi, it's Andy. Just hang on, I've nearly finished. I'm using magnetic letters to make words today. So I'm just making Andy's activities out of magnetic letters. Do you have magnetic letters at your house? Maybe you could see what they work on. Now I'm using an old cooking pot because it's metal and the magnetic letters stick to it. I wonder what you could find that your magnetic letters stick to. Would you like to make some words today? We make words by using letters, and each letter has a sound. Do you know your letter sounds? If you don't, it's okay. I'm going to show you them today. There we go. Now, I've made the alphabet out of all the letters. The alphabet is the order in which all of these letters appear in. Now, do you know the alphabet song? Don't worry, I'm not going to sing. I'm just asking if you did know it, because that will really help you. But what I'm going to teach you today is the sound that each of these letters make. Let's go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That was easy, wasn't it? Well done if you knew some of those sounds already. Some of them are really, really tricky, but some of them are really good fun to say, like x and h. Now, I thought we'd do some spelling of some words. I'm going to start off with one that really, really makes me smile. You should know what this is already. It's something that's outside and it keeps us nice and warm. It's the sun. Can you hear what that sound is right at the beginning of that word? Sun. That's right, it's S. What comes next? S. Oh, oh, oh. That's right. Oh. And what comes at the end of that word? Sun. Sun. Can you say the word with me? Sun. And again? Sun. Let's try another one. This time, it's an animal. It's a very small animal. It's got 4 legs, 2 ears, a nose, whiskers, and a tail. It begins with a K. Do you want to know the next letter? Might help you. Ready? K, A. K, A. What could it be? An animal. Small, 4 legs, tail, ears, nose, whiskers. K, A. T. Cat. Say it with me. Cat. And again. Cat. We're going to do one more before we get to today's story. Now, I'm going to do another animal. It's another smallish animal. It's still got 2 ears, a nose, whiskers, 4 legs, and a tail. But this animal barks. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a dog. Let's spell dog. What can you hear at the beginning? A D. What can you hear in the middle? D, O, 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 O. D, O. What comes at the end? D, O, G, 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 G. Dog. D, O, G. Dog. You say it? Dog. The reason I've picked dog as my last word today is because it's linked to our story. And our story today is dedicated to someone very special who won the competition at the weekend. Hello to Evan and he wants this story because he loves dogs. He also wants to say a big hello to his nana, Jill. He's really missing you, so this is for Evan and Jill. Today's story is Some Dogs Do by Jez Alborough. When Sid set off to school one day, a happy feeling came his way. Oh, look, he looks very happy. It filled him up so much he found his paws just lifted off the ground. Without a how and without a why, Sid fell up towards the sky. Look, there he goes. He doesn't know what's happening. Let's find out. Through swirling puffs of cloud he twirled above a tiny toy town world. In the land of sun and moon, like a doggy-shaped balloon. At school, Sid asked his best friend Ben, "Did you see me fly just then?" "Don't be daft," came Ben's reply. "You're a dog, and dogs don't fly." "But I did," said Sid. I did. Oh dear, Ben didn't believe Sid. We believe him, don't we? We saw him fly. In the classroom, Sid said, "Hey, guess what? I flew to school today." His classmates giggled, yelped and yowled. "Dogs don't fly to school," they howled. "But I did," said Sid. I did. Miss Mare, the teacher, shook her head. "Now, Sid, you shouldn't lie," she said. "All dogs walk and jump and run, but dogs don't fly, it just isn't done." We believe him, don't we? Sid did fly. "But I did," said Sid. Oh dear, nobody believes him. Gus said, "Right, if you can fly, come outside, let's see you try." Sid's happiness had gone by then. He tried to get it back again. Let's hope he did. He thought about the clouds up high, and then he jumped towards the sky. Oh, flop. "You see, you're just a dog," said Gus, "with paws for walking, just like us. That will teach you not to lie. Now you know dogs don't fly." Oh dear, poor Sid. When Sid walked home from school that day, it seemed a long and lonely way. Poor Sid. Look at him, he's walking all the way home. He looks very sad. Let's hope he gets cheered up. And once at home with Mum and Dad, deep inside he still felt bad. He did the things he always did, but something just wasn't quite right with Sid. Well, we know what it is, don't we? His dad came out and asked, "What's up? You seem unhappy, little pup." Sid sat staring at the sky, and all he said was, "Dogs don't fly." Sid's dad slowly raised his head. "I know a secret, Sid," he said. "Could you keep it safe inside?" "What's the secret?" Sid replied. He turned around and then he knew. Now you know the secret too. Look at Dad. He's flying. It is real and it is happening. Sid must be so happy. Sid's happy eyes were open wide. "I knew it! Dogs do fly!" he cried. Sid's dad said, "Come fly then, Sid." And that's exactly what Sid did. Do dogs fly? Is it true? Some dogs don't, and some dogs do. What a happy ending to a story, and I'm so glad Sid got his happiness back again. I hope you're all keeping really happy, and that story was specially for Evan and his Nana Jill. I want you all to keep safe and keep happy. Now, it's time for me to go, but I'll be back with more stories very soon. Also, there is another competition for you to get your own shout out and a story read just for you. So, head over to my page and find out more. Take care. Open up. Bye-bye.